Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Diana's Homestead. Today we are out here in my food forest about to plant some more blueberry bushes, you guys. Yes, I went to Tractor Supply. They had a sale going on, blueberries for $11.99. The sale is good in Virginia until the end of this month, till the end of February. So if you guys want to come along with me while I plant these blueberry bushes, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to show you all the blueberry bushes that I got. All right, it says $14.99, but they were 20% off, so I got them for $11.99 each, and I had a $5 discount code, coupon, so I think I got these for like 9 something a piece. But here is one of them that I got. Powder blue blueberry. All right, show you here. So this is one of them. She looked pretty good. Then we got this one here. Nice size bushes too, you guys. This one is the bright well blueberry, and it tells you what zones they're good for. This is good down to -10. That's awesome. Okay, then we got another one here, which is called Premier Blueberry, and that too was $14.99, but like I said, was 20% off, so it was $11.99, and I also had a $5 coupon. Okay, these two right here, I got 2, 1 and 2. I got these ones from the big box store, and these were $14.98 a piece, and they are quite smaller than the other ones, but check it out. We got some good blooms starting to form on them. So, and let's see here. And they got me too, you guys, because I thought they were on sale for $11.98. But really, if you read the fine print, it says you have to purchase 15 or more of these blueberry bushes in order to get them for $11.98. And mind you, I got those right over there for $11.99 from Tractor Supply. So, okay, so this one is O'Neill. And we got another one from the big box store. We got some more nice blooms on here. This one is New Hanover. So I got 5 different varieties out here, you guys. Not to mention the 5 other varieties that I got going down here. So all together, I'm going to have 10 different varieties of blueberry bushes out here. So hopefully someday soon I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna have so many blueberries I ain't gonna know what to do with them. But all right, let's we got some work to do out here today. So don't mind my get up. It's February here in Southern Virginia, Zone 7B, and the first thing that I'm going to do is prep my area for which I'm going to be planting in. So I'm going to plant them along here so they can pollinate each other. The ones I got from Tractor Supply, they will tell you, you know, how many spaces and all that you got to plant them. But I'm doing it my way. So I'm going to go ahead and prep my area. So we are getting our first of 5 holes dug out here. You want to make your hole at least twice the size of the container that your plant is in. So we got our first hole dug out here. I want to let you guys know that blueberry bushes like acidic soil. My soil is already acidic, But if yours is not, you can go to your local big box store or hardware store and pick up some soil acidifier. You will have to do a test on your soil to see what type of soil you have. All right, so check this out. This is what I got from the big box store. Look at that. This is how they sold it. They put a small one inside of a bigger one. See the deception, you guys? I can't stand it. But anyways, all right, so we got this hole dug. We're gonna amend our soil. We want our blueberries to have a good start. So we're gonna put some bone meal, blood meal, and I'm gonna put a little Epsom salt. And I'm also going to put a little of this stuff here I caught on sale at Walmart. And I got a little all-purpose fertilizer I'm going to be putting down in here. It's I believe it's a 10-10-10. You can get all this stuff at Walmart or any hardware store. And I don't do no measuring. I just grab a handful or two. And you might want to wear a mask if it's a windy day out here. Okay, so that was bone meal. Put a handful of some blood meal. Maybe 2, 1.5 handfuls. A little Epsom salt, not much. All right, this is my 10-10 fertilizer going down in here. And I'm going to mix this stuff on up. Okay, we got to bring it up a little. Don't want to plant it too deep. Okay, we're going to take it out of here. Dump that soil out of there. Break these roots up because you don't want your plants root bound. Okay. Put a little more bone meal around here, blood meal, and this stuff is not going to burn your plants. It's not going to harm your plants, so it's okay. All right, now we're just going to fill her in. Oh, I got a job cut out for me today, y'all. This is just the first of 5, so I got 4 more to go. Your blueberries like to be in full sun, you guys. Full sun. You can grow them in containers as well, but I believe it's best to grow them in ground. That's just my opinion. At the last step, I'm going to be using some fish plant food, which is fish fertilizer. You can get this at Walmart, Home Depot, hardware stores, and I don't use no measurements. Just going to squirt that in there, probably about a 1/2 cup, and it will not burn your plant, so don't worry about that. Fill her on up, and we're going to give these blueberries a good soaking. All right, so here they are. They are all planted. We got all 5 of them planted today. So they're right up with my other ones over here. We got her done. Okay, you guys, so we are done for today. I just want to say thank you all so very much for coming along with me today while I planted my new additions to my food forest. Please stay tuned for more videos to come. You know, it's almost spring, so we're going to start revving up for the season. Until next time, I'll be seeing y'all.